posted on my channel yesterday this particular video. I was teaching how to upload your videos using the normal YouTube applications, okay? Because some people are of the opinion that the YouTube dashboard using the Chrome process is too long. So I had to do this particular tutorial. And in that video, I stated out some things which some subscribers actually pictured. I told you that I was going to tell you some things that were missing while uploading with the normal YouTube app. Okay, I only told you one, which was the publish your subscriptions feed, okay? I didn't state others, and some persons were able to observe. So in this video today, I'm going to be telling you the things that is missing or that will be missing when you use the normal application, that is the YouTube app, to post your videos. So after hearing all of this, I'm sure you will agree with me that it is better to use the Chrome version to post, because it will give you full SEO, that is the search engine optimization, that your videos will be popping up without stress. Just searching for the title of your video will pop out your name or your channel, just like this. Okay, this is a little demo of when I search for some of my video description. My videos will pop out. Okay, so the first thing that will not be available is your file name. You know, while posting your video, I've advised that you change your file name, okay, so that it will be like a birth certificate for your name, just like you have a name that shows in all of your documents. So when you rename your video to the name or the title of your video, preferably, it will be stored like that. So when you upload it with the YouTube Chrome, it will show like that. Okay, you will not have to be changing, or putting a title. It will say file name, just like this. File name, it will write it out. This can only be done while using the Chrome version, but if you are using the normal YouTube app, it will just save, it will show as image something something, whatever the application saved your video with. Okay, and then you will not have to write in the title, so your file or your video will not have a name of its own. Do you understand? So that's the first thing. And then the second thing is that you cannot do the test and compare of thumbnails. You can only use one thumbnail with the YouTube application. You are restricted to just one thumbnail. But if you are using the Chrome, which is the desktop site, you can actually use 3 thumbnails. So you can test run 3 thumbnails. If you are somebody that don't know how to choose, or you've not been able to decide which thumbnail looks better, probably you design 1 to 3 thumbnails, you can upload the 3 of them, and YouTube will help you push out those 3 thumbnails. Whichever ones that get the most clicks from viewers, that's the thumbnail that YouTube will automatically retain for you at the end of the test. Do you understand? So the YouTube app cannot give you test and compare option, and the YouTube Chrome can actually give you test and compare options. Now the third thing is that the YouTube app cannot check for copyright claims for you, while the Chrome version can actually check for copyright claims. So if you are somebody that uploads other people's videos, or you want to do, maybe you are doing restream or other with people's videos, and you don't really know if that video can give you a copyright, if you are using the normal YouTube application, you will not be able to know. But if you are using the Chrome application, when you are done adding your end screen, you will see this part where it says check or copyright check. After checking, to tell you no issues found, that means that video is okay for you to post on YouTube. You cannot really know when you use the app, so you will keep getting copyright strikes when you are using the YouTube application, okay? Unless if you are posting only your original content without music or anything, just like as I'm doing now, you are safe. But if you are mixing up, you need the Chrome version to stay on the safer side, like a reaction video or any form of videos. Do you understand? Now the fourth thing is that you cannot add subtitles to your videos, okay? If you watch, there are some of my videos in my playlist where I said add subtitles. If you watch that video, it's only done inside the Chrome. Okay, you cannot actually put subtitles. Subtitles in the sense that you can add English, you can add any languages, as far as YouTube has put that language in their subtitle box, whether German, Italian, Spanish, Swahili, Zulu, Arabic, Chinese, Hindi, Indonesia, Japanese, whatever languages, name it, is inside the YouTube Chrome dashboard, that you can actually add it to your videos. So imagine you creating a video and other people from other parts of the world cannot actually hear or understand what you're saying. They can actually just subtitle it, and it will go to their language, select their language and click on it, and while you're talking, your videos will be writing that in their language, and they'll be unable to understand your videos. Thereby it will give you more views. Are you seeing it? You have increased your visibility without even stressing yourself. So now you are reaching everybody all over the world. Do you understand me? So you will not be able to add subtitles. The next thing is that you will not be able to add end screens and cards. As you can see, when I uploaded this video, if you actually watched it, you will see that I was not able to add end screens. But in the YouTube dashboard Chrome, you can actually add end screens and cards. End screens are those pop-ups that show after your videos, and cards are those tiny ones that show just to suggest your other content to your viewers. Trust me, you would want to do that because that actually helps you get more views and more watch hours and subscribers. Okay, if they like the first video and they go to the next one, maybe they won't like the next one more than the one they watched before, you have retained a successful subscriber and you are getting their watch hours. And then the last thing you cannot do with it is to post to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. In the normal YouTube application, you can actually select publish your subscriptions feed, but in the Chrome version, you can actually select it and your subscribers will be notified and they will see it in their subscriptions feed, just like the home feed. Do you understand? So guys, all these are the things that will be missing when you upload with only the YouTube application. So it is best or advisable that after uploading with the YouTube application, go back to the Chrome extension and finish all of the features. So instead of you moving up and down, why don't you just use the Chrome extension? So guys, what do you think? Which do you prefer? Do you still prefer the YouTube application or the Chrome extension? Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.